Once upon a time, on a sunny Tuesday morning in September, the world stood still as terror struck the heart of America. It was the fateful day of September 11th, 2001. In the midst of chaos and devastation, an extraordinary tale of resilience unfolded at the Pentagon. Inside the massive, five-sided building, people were hard at work, carrying out their duties as they had done countless times before. Unbeknownst to them, their lives were about to be forever changed. At precisely 9:37 a.m., American Airlines Flight 77, hijacked by terrorists, crashed into the western side of the Pentagon. The impact was devastating, creating a massive fireball that tore through several floors. Chaos and panic filled the corridors as people rushed to find safety. Among the brave souls caught in the turmoil was Lieutenant Colonel John Adams. As the building trembled and smoke filled the air, he remained steadfast, determined to lead his fellow officers to safety. With immense courage and calmness, he directed them to the nearest exit points. Meanwhile, on the other side of the Pentagon, Lieutenant Heather Thompson, a nurse stationed at the medical clinic, heard the explosion and immediately sprang into action. She gathered medical supplies, prepared makeshift stretchers, and rushed to the site of impact. Despite the danger, she risked her life to aid the wounded and provide comfort to those in shock. Throughout the day, countless acts of heroism and selflessness unfolded within the chaotic walls of the Pentagon. People from all walks of life, driven by a shared sense of duty and compassion, united in their efforts to help one another. The rescue teams arrived, firefighters, paramedics, and military personnel, all working tirelessly to save lives and bring hope to those trapped within the wreckage. Among them was Captain Lisa Mitchell, who navigated through the debris with determination, refusing to give in to despair. As the day progressed, the rescue efforts proved successful. The survivors were pulled from the rubble, their strength and will to live a testament to the indomitable human spirit. The Pentagon may have suffered a devastating blow, but the resilience and unity displayed by its inhabitants shone brighter than ever. In the aftermath of the attack, the nation mourned the loss of lives, but they also celebrated the bravery and determination displayed by the heroes at the Pentagon. Their stories of sacrifice and heroism became a beacon of hope and resilience for the entire country. Today, the Pentagon stands tall once again, a symbol of strength and determination. The spirit of those who faced the darkest day with courage lives on, reminding us that even in the face of tragedy, humanity's ability to come together and rise above adversity will forever endure. Though the scars of that fateful day will never fully heal, the stories of courage and resilience continue to inspire and remind us that united, we stand strong against any challenge that comes our way.